So tip number 3, use control click to select non-consecutive days in a calendar. Sometimes we have a deadline approaching, everyone has a busy calendar, and instead of just looking at the next 4 days, we need to look at the next 4 Thursdays. So we can use Outlook instead of clicking back and forth, we can use control click to find the best meeting time. And if you have shared calendars enabled in your organization, then you're going to be able to see the times your colleagues are available. So depending on your settings, you even can create a meeting for all, and that's going to save additional time if you're able to use that option.